Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that is essential for every pool owner preparing for winter. If you want to keep your pool in top shape during the colder months, look no further than the AquaDoc Pool Closer. This all-in-one winterizing chemical is considered one of the best pool winterizing solutions on the market. The AquaDoc Pool Closer comes in a 16-ounce bottle, designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, accommodating sizes of up to 15,000 gallons. This easy-to-use liquid formula eliminates the need for traditional pool closing kits. With its breakthrough all-in-one formula, AquaDoc has made the winterizing process seamless for pool owners. One of the standout features of AquaDoc's Pool Closer is its natural enzyme and chlorine-free composition. This innovative formula works to break down oils, lotions, and other contaminants that might linger in your pool. No more worrying about scum lines or murky water when you open your pool in the spring. The natural enzymes help maintain clean and clear water, ensuring that your pool is ready for enjoyment once the warm weather returns. So, what makes this product unique? First and foremost, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply pour the recommended amount into your pool, and let the enzymes do their magic. There's no need for messy powders or complicated instructions. This product not only simplifies the closing process but also makes opening your pool a breeze come springtime. Another fantastic advantage of AquaDoc Pool Closer is its professional-grade quality. Proudly made in the USA, AquaDoc is committed to using the highest quality materials. By choosing this product, you're not just investing in your pool, you're also supporting local economies. As we prepare for winter, it's crucial to protect your investment. The AquaDoc Pool Closer helps you achieve just that. By preventing scum lines and murky water, it ensures that your pool remains in pristine condition during the off-season. Plus, the user-friendly formula allows you to feel confident as you close up for winter, knowing that your pool will be ready to dive into when the weather warms up again. Now, let's talk value. Priced at around $37.99, the AquaDoc Pool Closer offers significant savings compared to traditional winterizing kits that can run much higher. It's a smart investment for any pool owner looking to streamline their pool maintenance routine without breaking the bank. In summary, the AquaDoc Pool Closer is the best pool winterizing chemical you can choose this season. With its natural, effective formula and user-friendly application, it takes the hassle out of closing your pool for winter. Don't wait until it's too late. Make the smart choice for your pool today. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Happy swimming, and see you next time.